We'll guide you through how to use the ruler in Google Docs to manage your document layout. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Docs document on your desktop. At the top of your document, you'll see the ruler, which is a horizontal bar with numbers. This ruler helps you adjust margins, indents, and tabs. To change the left or right margins, hover over the gray area of the ruler until you see a double-headed arrow. Click and drag to adjust the margin to your desired width. For adjusting the first line indent, look for the small blue triangle and rectangle on the left part of the ruler. Click on the blue triangle and drag it to the right or left to set where the first line of a paragraph starts. To adjust the entire paragraph indent, click and drag the blue rectangle. If you want to add tab stops, click anywhere on the ruler where you want the tab to be. Once you've set your tab stop, press the tab key on your keyboard, and your text will jump to that position. Remember, these adjustments will affect the entire document unless you select specific text. You can also use the Format menu. Click on Format at the top, then go to Align and Indent, and choose Indentation options for more precision. Here, you can manually input the exact measurements for your margins and indents. This is especially useful for consistent formatting in longer documents. By mastering the ruler in Google Docs, you can create professional-looking documents with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.